guys, Marcus here. Welcome to Turbo Dismount. So yeah, today I'm going to be playing this game, which it is going to be like a figure, and you're going to try I don't know. You can you to see it. It's pretty funny the game. So yeah, the levels actually cost. Not all of them, but some of them cost. So I'm going to play chicken. Just for now. I don't know why, but still look fun. And yeah, I made some customizations. Tried to put my skin, but didn't fit on the face. So yeah, guys, look what I did on here. Can you see that? I did actually. Mr. Ego. Ah, look at that! Looks so funny. Okay, so poses. What is poses? Wait, where is he's on the back? What's wrong with you? What are you doing? Getting. Okay, so obstacles. Okay, let's just try. I don't have any obstacles already. So character. This is okay. So yeah, let's just dismount. Okay, how's this going to work? Okay, what's happening? Okay. What happened? Okay, let's go. I didn't even touch reset. Go. Don't crash. Don't crash. No. He already crashed. Wow. Did he? Where is him? Oh, he died. No. Oh, his feet aren't here. First person camera. Oh no. Let's just go and have another one. Select level. So let's go to. Let's keep going. Yeah. Turbo Dismount. Okay. Oh no, I'm third person. Oh, this is going to be painful. Poses. Where am I? I don't actually want to be third. Can you start the car, please? Mrs. Dismount. Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Start. Hold to release Dismount. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Play speed. How do I do this? Okay, reset. This was so fail, guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, you can do this, Miss Dismount. Go! Oh no! Ah, no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Is that a car? Okay. This was what happened. Okay. No, it's third person view. Ah! No, I'm in a roller coaster. Oh, that hurt. Okay, that was what happened. I know what. No. Okay, select level. Missing delivery. Oh, I see this. Dan TDM played this level. Yeah, it's pretty big. Okay, let's just put some obstacles. Okay, let's just put one. Ramps. Let's just put here. Oh my god, that's pretty big. And a mega wall here. And overpass. Okay, ready. Oh, we're not going to do this. Go. Oh no. No, don't crash. Oh no. Can she even? Wow, this is pretty weird. Turbo dismount first. Who's going to change vehicle? Token bird. Oh, good. I'm going to change to the little kid. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I really like this post. No, this one. There we go. No, you can't go. No, I did reset. Why did I do that? I don't want to reset it. Okay. Dismount. Okay, there we go. Go. You can't go. Oh, no, you crashed. Oh, that hurt. That must have hurt. That must have hurt a lot. Obstacles. Oil. Okay. No turbo. Turbo bad. There we go. Ready. Dismount. There we go. Oh no, birdie. No. Oh no. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh my gosh. You must have broke a leg in there. Or all of your body. Oh, look, a new high score. Ah! Instant replay. Whoa! This was like... Whoa. Oh, man. I'm just being dumb right now. Yeah, he died. Third person. Oh, this is going to be so painful. So painful. I broke my leg. Help me. So yeah, guys, if you do want to see more Turbo Dismount, guys, then please do like and subscribe and join the Minion Rebellion for daily Minecraft videos. And yeah, if you did enjoy, then please do subscribe, please, guys. It will help me a lot. So yeah, thank you, and see you on next time. Let's just do this right now. Whoa! It was so much for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on next time. I think I broke a leg in there. See ya.